I'm Shay Russell for mining.com.au, and joining me today is Navarre Minerals Managing Director, James Gurry. James, normally I say great to have you here, but I believe today I can say welcome back to the ASX.
Thanks very much, Shay. It's been a journey, but we're about to commence trading on the ASX, and it's a very pleasing to get to this point. It's really been quite an effort on the corporate side of things, and the team can't wait to get on the ground and drilling again.
Look, I'm thrilled to have another Victorian gold explorer and miner come back to the ASX, and Navarre is coming back to the ASX from a position of strength. You've got over 100 million shares on issue. Let's talk us through some of these other key highlights that you're bringing back to the market.
Yeah, absolutely, Shay. So that's one of the things that we do bring back to the market is the resized capital structure. So it's just over 100 million shares on issue. That compares to well over 1.5 billion previously. We've just completed the re-compliance capital raise. So we raised $6 million at 10 cents per share. That means we'll debut on the ASX with a really healthy bank account of nearly $6 million cash in the bank and an EV of less than $5 million. So our pro forma market cap at that cap raise was $10 million. However, as we've discussed before, the company on these assets that we have in Victoria on the JORC resource traded well north of $100 million 3 or 4 years ago. So it's our work now to get the value up and to get back into the ground and continue to drill our high quality advanced exploration projects that we have.
Well, you just mentioned the magic words there, and that's getting ready to drill. Mate, tell me, now that the company is going to be trading any moment, where is that first rig going to hit the ground?
Yes, Shay. So you might recall actually in our period of share suspension, we did actually drill the Tandarra project in conjunction with our partners there in the Bendigo zone. Remember, that project's only 50 kilometres from Fosterville, and it was great to bring the market those results that we reported in late August. So we look forward to drilling again in the coming weeks at Tandarra. And importantly, on the projects that we operate ourselves, we'll be getting back into our flagship program, our flagship project at Stawell there. And of the total 7,000 metre diamond drill program that we've got planned, will be kicking off soon, about half that meterage will be going into the Stawell project over the coming 12 months. We've also got St Arnaud that we'll be drilling as well around the time that we're not drilling at Stawell, and also down at Jubilee near Ballarat. So the complementary location of those three projects mean we can have one drill rig going all the time over the next 12 to 15 months with the capital that we've just raised. So we look forward to executing on that plan that we've outlined to the market.
Yeah, you're certainly in an enviable position when it comes to drilling. But finally, just to take this interview home, you and I are going to be catching up together in person later this week at the Noosa Mining Conference. Tell me, for new and hopefully existing shareholders, what can they expect to see from Navarre at this conference?
Yeah, it's a terrific time for us to be presenting to new investors at the conference, given we're re-debuting on the ASX again this week. So I really want to show people that we're coming back with a reset valuation. We've reset this valuation because of the recapitalisation at a much, much lower level. And therefore, I think it's an excellent opportunity for people that buy the shares early, given that we bring so much value to the table. Remember, the book value of our exploration assets is over $32 million, as we reported in our annual report. And the previous team did a terrific job of proving up the JORC resource that we have at Stawell, over 300,000 ounces in the inferred resource, and an exploration target on top of that, which is 280 to 420,000 ounces. So we look forward to debuting on the ASX, but importantly, getting the drill rigs in there to grow that existing resource and potentially to report new resources as we further drill St Arnaud and Tandarra and the other projects.
Listen, James, I can't wait to catch up with you Thursday, and thank you so much for being here today.
Excellent, Shay. Good to speak to you again.